Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So finally got the motor on the engine stand. Didn't record that, but it's been a while since we pulled it out. I say it's almost been a month. But yeah, I just haven't had time. School, work. So in this video we're gonna tear it down. Hopefully see what's causing the knock-in. Hopefully it's just spun bearing. Hopefully the crank is good. Hopefully the rods are good. Yeah. We get started, we're gonna start draining the fluid. Still got oil in it. Hopefully she's good. We'll see if there's any metal in the oil as well. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, so I'm looking at this oil here and I don't see any metal shavings so far. I mean, they could have all settled into the bottom of the pan by now. But damn, hopefully it's not bad. I think I'm gonna take off the oil pan. I think that's what I want to do. I think I'm gonna just leave the head intact. Just tear it apart from the bottom. Get to the rods. Get to the main bearings. And just see what damage I can find. And then from there, take the head off. And yeah. No, it's just going back.
No handles flying like a banshee. They use cheat codes, but we don't cheat though. No cliff notes, homie, we don't need those. Come on, and just take the high road. I'm trying to fly though, wanna touch the sky, but still lie low. Never water down, even with the hydro. Vaporize the hate so I don't have to keep my eyes low. Hit eyes low, get it in Norway. Cleanse palates with the callous man sorbet. Doorways open up, yup, more cake. Soon enough the sweet turn sour, more court dates. We burn it down though, and just live it up. It sucks ass when they ask about.
Well, I'm gonna have to stop here for a minute. In order to take that crank pulley off, I need a tool. My dang big impact gun can't get it off. It just moves the pulley. Got to get the crank pulley holder in order to get the thing bolted out of it. So I'm gonna pause here. I'll be back when I got the tool. See you soon. Soon, maybe a day or something. Hey guys, I'm back. I got the crankshaft tool. So we can knock this crank pulley off of here, get the timing cover off, undo the timing guides, chain and whatnot, so I get the head off. It's been a while since the last clip, but let's get to it. Let's give this a shot. Try 2 breaker bars or something. Alright, got a second breaker bar. Let's see what I can do with that crap. Call my dad to come help me fucking do this. I'm just afraid this engine stand not gonna hold up if I. I'll go call my father. He's coming. Yeah, throw on pomoć slogan.
That's easy,
Totally.
Jesi probao pištoljem?
Jesam.
Neće. Gdje malo udare u ovu i doček da malo rastresi. Bolo, tam ti moraš držati ovdje.
A, eto ga.
Ja. Ko je to?
Sad ću pištolom.
A šta moraš držati rukom tam? Ma ja.
Eto ga.
Eto ga.
Eto.
Eto.
Got it. Damn, that was a tough one. So what we needed to use was, on the other brake bar, it was too weak at the flex point that it has. Next thing I'm gonna do, take off the damn time cover, undo the tensioner and all that bumbo jumbo.
I don't have one, cause I don't have shit. And when I do, I'm probably gonna just stash it. It takes time for the interest to make sense. It makes sense for the linguist to invest. I've been blessed with the brain and some rhythm. Those hairs too square, I'm the tortoise and I'll win it. Come on.
Alright guys, as you can see, I got the timing cover off. Not too hard, fairly easy. Next step is to, I don't know if that's like a gasket or, I think it's just a gasket maker. Next step, take the tension off of all this stuff. The guides. Where's the tensioner? I think this is the tensioner here. The tension's that. How do these get tensioned? I guess this tensioner probably up in here. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, that's the tensioner. Oh, okay. This guy right here is a tensioner. Pushes through. So I gotta undo this guy. That'll take the tension off of these. And then once that's off, then I can do the tension down there. The heck could come off in a sense. Yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna take this tensioner out. Take the guides out, the chain. And yeah.
Oh man. Freestyle Friday number 3. Thanks, Regina. I appreciate you letting me use the sample. Back when DJs still could play what they wanted, us little tykes didn't care how hard you stunted. All we wanted was to hear that fresh shit blast. Hit pause on the tape deck if it was trash. Mixtapes with tapes, not playlists, and we made them in real time, so makeshift. Wait for the station and grab my tapes. Got my trigger finger ready for the top 888. Now how the fuck is this little guy pants still really high listening to Let Me Rob by Dr. Dre? Well, I'll tell you, I went and stole my sister's tapes, and they had the tip of stickers, so they cursed away. And Miss Gore and the Lord Sucker, please listen up. Intentions were good, but man, you still fucked up. You can't touch an art form like ours, and you made little lead up. Want to spit bars, go hard. Yeah, yeah. On the radio, we all wanna be. We all wanna be. We all wanna be.
Alright, so I got some progress done. Took the camshafts off and the cam caps. Need to do that, kind of free this up so I get this gear out of here. Gotta take off a few bolts on here. Or maybe I don't, let me see, because the chain. Oh, anyways, I'll get to it. But you gotta take that sprocket apart. To drop this chain. Oh wait, never mind. I lied. Just took it out. So that's out. Put that to the side. That's where I got all the junk for it. I gotta organize it. But for now, we got it here in this tote. So yeah, so head can come off now. Where are the head bolts at on this fucking thing? Boy, I might have to take off these guys. I might have to get the head bolts, rockers or whatever these are. Huh? No, I've never been inside this engine or any engine like this. What the fuck's that? Huh? Okay. Yeah, definitely gotta take it off. Let's see, is there, how do you take it off? Whatever, it just lifts up. Next step, I'm gonna turn this guy over and take the oil pan off. Then I'll be able to undo the tension on that crap down there, the lower chain. For I guess it's the oil pump down there. And yeah.
Jam box, turn that jam up. That's me, motherfucker. So just put your hands up. Toast those jazzes. We are not average. We can make magic. We are young mavericks. We can watch.
Okay, guys. So we got something here at the bottom of the oil pan. Not sure what it is, but definitely I think some kind of metal. It's sucked up here into the oil pump. Pickup tube and whatnot. Yeah, gotta take this apart more to see really. Look at this. Look at all that metal. Oh God. Oh man. Lost a lot of metal in here. Okay, so something's pretty bad. Something pretty bad. That's a lot of metal. Put it on this rag here. Right, look at all that. It's all metal, little chunks. Wow. Wow. Yeah, something definitely blew. Oh baby, hope it's still good. Gotta take this oil pump apart or something. There, excuse me. That bolt. That bolt. There's some more bolts in here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this chain apart here first. Then we'll keep going. See what we got inside. This thing's got like a 2-layer oil pan thingy. Yeah, we'll keep going at it. We'll update y'all soon.
We can talk about how the song in the movie is a poem, and this is poetry, and we roll with these punches in minutes and days until it's over. We won't stop until the last breath, and this music keeps us human till death. A 4-chord progression so deaf that a tear slips out your eye and you're left breathless, relentless, unkempt, but you feel so free. Those words were unsaid. Yeah, emails were unsent, and for 3 good minutes you ditched that regret, cause you, yeah.
Alright, well, have a look at this, boys. So I turned the motor a bit, and this one fucking just black and burnt looking. All the other ones got that gold, like brown color to them. This just black. And check it out. Yeah, that rod bearing toast. That's probably what all those fragments were. I wonder how that crank is. This one's got some forward and back movement, but nothing side to side. I don't know if that's good or not. I'll try to turn this over some more. Okay. Oh, we got it. Oh, God. Damn. This one got some backward, forward movement, but nothing side to side. Nothing side to side. Wonder if that is normal. Don't know much about internals like that, but man, that number 3 cylinder, whew, shit toast. And what I like about this, well, I thought it was, I thought each of these were almost like, what's the word? Well, anyways, I thought they had their own like little pocket. It almost looked like, but no, there's a channel back here. So like if anything blew up in here, I felt like it probably wouldn't mess up anything else, but hopefully it's just this one thing. Damn, you can see how burnt that is compared to that. That is crazy. Oh, it's the first time I've ever seen something like this. I'm gonna take that cap off. Take that cap off, see what it looks like. Oh my God, guys, check this out. That rod is that rod bearing completely torn up. I don't know if you can see me. Wipe that down a little bit. Check out the cap, pretty banged up. No bearing left. There's nothing in here. This is what's left of it. Check it out. Oh my God. That is wild. Holy cow, yo. God damn. Yeah. That's pretty damn bad. That's crazy shit. Wow. You put that in like a picture frame or something. That is wild. Probably same deal with the other side. See a little bit in there. Can't really see it on camera. Man, I don't know, that crank could be polished. Looks like just torn up in the center there. Really rough. Take this crank to the machine shop, see what they say. Maybe run an oversized bearing just here, and then all the other ones hopefully are just fine. But the only way to find out, take this out, send it to the machine shop. If they tell me the crank is fine, they just need to run an oversized bearing, I'm happy with that. I think I'm gonna end it here for today. Continue this engine breakdown episode later. Yeah, awesome. Well, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. All right, so I got the little rocker assembly off. There was nothing holding it down, it just had to be pried up. I was worried about it. But now we're gonna here with Chris, we're gonna take the head off and probably disassemble the crank completely real quick.
One of the only white rappers not rocking the buzz cut. Chuckle until they see me spitting.
Let's just go back.
No, we're taking it apart.
Oh.
It goes in that car.
Is it broken?
It's broken.
Broken.
go up top.
Sorry. Now I got a grip. What's the gasket? Yeah.
Alright.
Bum rushed the city when I left the Illidale. I moved to Baltimore once we copped us a Citadel. YEBP, my teams. I'ma spit until I can, until I get out my dreams. I eat my Mr. 52 weeks. Bigger catalog than motherfucking LL Bean. Dilla silly with the beats. Willy Wonka with the treats. No filler, go illa. Pull the people out they seats. No frills, go ill. Obama with the speech. Teleprompter, rocket launcher. Ahmadinejad beef. Boom goes the dynamite. The motherfucking time is right to pull out all the stops and make it pop like a Hyman might. Yuck. And it's gonna get worse too. Think of all the things I might have said on verse 2. But fuck a verse 2. I'ma keep it terse. Who ever wanna chorus? Go ahead and got my first 2 albums. You can find them up on iTunes. Spicy and sweet. It's kinda like you're eating Thai food. And I choose to go and buy my food from Friend Kitchen cause I'm bigger than a typhoon. And I'm sorry, that's an inside joke. Lighten the tone a little bit for my bin high folks. Filthy slap with the bracelet. Wrapped from the basement. Now we overground and the sound got a facelift. And we do the shit all by ourselves. Black Paisley.
Main bearing look good. Yeah. That don't look bad at all.
That one looks kind of gnarly. Like hot spots or what is that?
It's missing the bearing.
Yeah, it's still on the. It was the one on the crank still.
It didn't spin, but it.
Maybe the bearing.
This one looks the same. It's like all the bearings stuck on the. It's oxidation from oil. It's not changing the oil.
Yeah, probably why it fucking blew up. Not doing anything with it.
And then there's your thrust bearing.
Thrust washers. There's just one?
Yeah. One here, one there, and 2.
Yeah. Well, damn. Cool. Thank you, Chris. We did that.
Yeah, I mean, there is some engine builders that'll take in the weld on here,
Mm-hmm.
and then they'll actually turn it back down and polish it. But most of these machine shops, man, they don't fucking do shit anymore. Bunch of fucking redneck.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. And that's it.